Hello, my name is Gabby and I'm an application security engineer. So what I do is I test mobile applications and web applications for security vulnerabilities like iDoors, XSS, CSRF, the list goes on. I'm going to show you guys how to set up your iPhone to proxy traffic through your Mac via the USB using Burp. All right. Make sure that you have Burp Suite installed on your Mac already. And once you have that installed, start it. And then what I'm going to have you do is navigate to the proxy settings. And then you make sure to have the listener on port 8080. If not, if you don't have this right here, click add. Set the interface to all interfaces. And for the example, we'll just edit. Make sure it's on all interfaces. And just okay. Leave Burp running. We'll confirm if it's listening in a minute with the terminal command. Now we are going to plug in our phone. Now that we have our Mac connected to our iPhone via USB, what we're going to do is open our terminal to get the USB IP and to check and see if Burp is listening. Now I'm going to run some commands and I'm going to go ahead and leave these in our description so that you guys have access to this as well. The first command I'm going to run is to get the USB IP of the iPhone. All right, this is the USB IP we're going to be putting in our proxy settings in our iPhone. I'm going to run one more just to make sure to see if Burp is listening as well. All right, we have our IP just to double check and it is listening, confirmed. All right, so now this next part, we're going to get the Burp certificate installed on our iPhone. For HTTPS traffic to work through Burp, the iPhone has to trust Burp certificate. On your Mac in Burp, you're going to go to the proxy, and you're going to go to the settings. And there you're going to see import, export the CA certificate. Export the certificate in dir format and save it somewhere, for example, on your desktop or your documents. Name it something like burp.sir. All right. Now we're going to get that file onto our iPhone. The easiest way is to airdrop it. Right-click the file on your Mac, share, airdrop it, send it to your iPhone. And then also you can email it to yourself and open the attachment on your iPhone. When you open the burp.sir file on the iPhone, it'll prompt to install a profile. Tap allow, then go to the settings, general, VPN, device management. Under downloaded profile, tap the Burp profile and tap install. Enter your passcode if asked, then install again to confirm. Alright, so for the next step, we're going to configure the iPhone proxy settings. So open your iPhone, navigate to the settings, and then I want you to go to your Wi-Fi. And the Wi-Fi that you're using with the check mark next to it, click the I or the info, and then you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom where it says configure proxy, HTTP proxy. Change it from off to manual, and then that is where you will go ahead and put that IP address that you found in 169.254 from the terminal. And then for the port, you're going to do 8080. You're going to go ahead and leave the authentication off. Make sure it's saved, and now your proxy should be reading HTTP traffic and HTTPS traffic to your Burp from your iPhone. All right, so now we're going to test and troubleshoot. Let's see if our connection works. So on your iPhone, open up Safari and go see about any HTTPS website like Google. I usually personally like to type in cats every time, no matter whether it's work or home. I don't know. It just works for me. So as you can see, I got cats in here, and we're going to verify on our computer by going to the proxy in the HTTPS history. And let's just press enter. Let's see. And there we go. We are getting traffic through our iPhone to our Mac. So now, you just keep browsing to make sure everything is working here. Let's see about some dogs, maybe. All right, and we're still getting traffic. All right, so one more tip in Burp. If intercept is on, every request will wait for you to forward it, so pages can hang or time out. For normal browser, like browsing, while you inspect traffic, turn intercept off. Just use HTTP history to look at requests. Example, let's just turn it on real quick. Oh, wow, look at that. Now your website just hangs, your page just hangs. You just forward them, turn it off, and just see them here. All right, so that's the full setup. Burp listening on all interfaces, iPhone connected over USB, terminal commands to get the USB IP, manual proxy setup to that IP and port 8080, Burp certificate installation, and trusted on the iPhone. I'll put the terminal commands in the description so you can copy them. Did you stay until the end? Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more application security and bug bounty content. See you in the next one.